Okay, time for my next project. Any good wood shop has a good wood rack, and I have a lot of rough sawn wood that I have to store somewhere. It's in my garage right now. I want to store it here in the wood shop, and this looked like the perfect place to put it. I had lots of open space, so I started looking at ways to use that, and although that wall is perfect, I found a better place. Way at the end of my shop, way at the back, as you see, I have shelves all the way across. That top shelf would make a perfect wood rack, and in addition to that, above it would be perfect additional storage for wood. So that's now my new strategy, to build a wood rack above that back shelving. As you can see, above the shelving, I have about 5 feet to the ceiling. And this shelving is going to be perfect. As you can see, it's nice wide open shelving, and it's perfectly flat all the way down the length. So that would make a good bottom shelf to my wood rack.
Okay, the first step is to cut the 2x4 supports to the correct length. Now it's time to notch all the posts for two reasons. One, the notch will set the exact height so all of the shelves will be at the right height. And two, it'll help carry the weight of all the wood up on the shelves. With all the supports clamped together and all the holes marked, I'm drilling a 15/16 hole to a precise depth, all at a 15-degree angle, so that it'll help carry the wood and the weight of the wood better. I'm pre-drilling all the supports with holes for the screws that will attach the supports for the wood rack securely.
Okay, now to start some assembly. This first one goes on this corner. As you see, there's a notch. This notch right here will rest on the back post. I'll get this top square.
Now that I have my technique down, it's just one at a time. Putting the post in, making sure it's nice and bottomed out on the notch, and attaching it with a bunch of screws. And I just work my way all the way down the wood rack. Now it's time to cut the 15/16 inch pipe to exact length. These are 5 foot long, 60 inches. I'm cutting them to 20 inches long, so there's no waste at all in each of the pieces. Here I'm grinding the end of each pipe to make sure it's nice and square, but also deburring the edge so that it's not sharp in case I bump it while loading the wood rack. Now the fun part, to insert the pipes into each of the uprights that will support all the wood. This is the easy part and it goes really fast. My goal now is to move all this wood into that wood rack down there. Loading the wood rack took actually longer than I thought because you have to carefully place each type of wood in a certain spot and longest pieces on bottom and so forth. But it came out great and I'm very pleased with it. So here's the whole wood rack full of all kinds of wood. Up top here you have red oak. Down below here we have a whole bunch of cherry. Over here is white oak. Then you have maple down here. This is a huge double stack of mahogany. And then pine. And then all our cutoffs go right down here on the shelf below it. So there you have it. It came out beautiful. I'm very happy with it, and it doesn't take any more space out of the wood shop.